Okay, guys, so, we're back, and, we're back to Wii Party now, and, I didn't want to, I have been a bit hesitant on doing Wii Party again, because I myself have gotten a bit over Swap Meet, but I feel like I've figured out that I've lost viewers because I haven't done a Wii Party video. And I also lost a few subscribers, probably because I hadn't done a Wii Party video in a while. So you know what? Just for the sole purpose of boosting my sub count and boosting my viewers again, you know, we're just gonna do Wii Party again. Okay, so let me just check for a second. I don't think we played against Fumiko, Marco, or Catherine. I don't think we have. I'm just thinking. Hold on. Have I played against Fumiko, Martin, or Catherine? I'm trying to think. Okay, so I remember in okay, I'm thinking now. I believe it was in Board Game Island. I know yeah, Fritz, Gabriel, and Ren were the opponents. In Globetrot, I believe it was Ryan, Giovanna, and someone else. Yeah, I know we have definitely not played against Fumiko. I'm trying to think. It was definitely them. There also was, in the last swap meet, it was me versus, I know Maisaki was in there, so was, you know what, this might just take too long to think, so, yeah. You know what, because this is gonna take too long to think if I played against any of them in a previous episode, let's just do it. Yeah, let's just do it, because why not? Okay, come to think of it, okay, so, I don't think I played against Elisa yet. Yeah, I haven't played against Elisa yet. She's an answer. Alright, goal getter, so this is favorable. To start things off. Alright, here we go. And we got Matt as my soccer coach, because Matt is the god at every sport. Yes, he may have low skill level, but we all know that he's the best of the best. We all know that. Catherine, I know, is one of, like, the main stars in the mod packs that Jimmy made. Like, he said before that Catherine was his favorite Mii, CPU Mii. And Marco goes away and Catherine gets in it, so Fumiko and Catherine have a roll-off. Catherine wins the roll-off. I remember we did play Marco in baseball and we lost to him somehow. Alright, yep. What am I gonna do? You know what? Let's do a mystery. Wild. We'll choose a yellow, because we can't get the silver, for reasons. We have one to go already. Right, Catherine. Oh, Ursula, and it was someone else that I had played against that game, in that game of Swap Meet. Ooh.
One to go.
Now, Fumiko has a one to go, now Marco. Pass on Gabriel right there. Alright, round number 2. Ooh, Beef Boss is in there. Well, there's a trade, so if I win this minigame, I'll probably trade for Marco. Because he's the only one that has a platinum, but I have to beat Marco. I actually have to beat everyone to ensure that I can get a 3x2 here. Marco! Yeah, Marco's gonna be very competitive here. Marco, stop stealing me pearls. Yeah, I stole that from you. Marco! Fumiko! I need that! Alright. Oh! Catherine, no! Oh, we just barely won. Just barely. I like a thread. Okay, so now we can swap out. We'll trade Elisa. There we go. 3 times 2. Right off the bat, we get a 3 times 2. Meanwhile, Fumiko gets 3 points. No one else got any points for that. Okay, I knew I definitely had to beat Fumiko. Okay, so we have them now. Oh, Takashi was the other person, I remember now. Takashi was the other, advanced me from Globetrot, so... Come to think of that, yeah, it was Takashi, Ryan, and Giovanna. So, yeah, we haven't played against, any of them. Unless maybe I'm stupid. Which I probably am gonna end up being stupid in this minigame right here. Right, Fumiko definitely being stupid. Right off the bat. Alright, I'm just waiting back here with Lil Marco and, Catherine. I'm just waiting for the right time. I don't want to waste my energy. I still want to get ahead of Marco here. Alright, Marco. Alright, now it's go time. Go! Go! Horse, go! Oh no, I'm gonna overdo it. Come on! Oh, come on! I messed it up. I tried to slow down, which was probably the right thing to do to conserve my energy, because I think I was gonna end up in last place if I didn't slow down at the end there. Now Fumiko gets to go. And that's an odd move. Alright, now we have something to do. How about this? Alright, there you go. And now, Marco does nothing. Alright, Catherine. Oh, trade. That was odd. Could have easily taken a red. Oh, another trade in there. Might want to trade from Marco again. But this minigame, I have a lot of difficulty with. I haven't won this minigame once. But it might be because I haven't done any... Because all of the times I've done this minigame were all on hard difficulties. Ooh, I might get it here! Sheeps, get out of my way! Yes, I got it! We got it. Catherine getting last. Okay, so let's trade away from Marco. There we go.
1 to go.
Alright, 1 to go here. I'm gonna need a purple to get a 3 times 2. But Marco gets a purple there. Wait, what's Fumiko gonna do? Nothing. Alright, Catherine. Nothing. Right, I'm in good position for a 3 times 2 now. There's no purple in there. I definitely don't want to use that clear me. Alright, quicker chipper. Might be best to just take the early... Might just be best to take the random if I win this minigame, which I probably will, because I'm really good at this one. Yes, maybe not so much against the master guys, but definitely good against, obviously, the beginners. Oh crap, I messed up. Come on, keep me moving. I wasn't really trying that minigame because I knew I was going to win anyway. Let's just admit it. I was going to win that one anyway. But Marco and Catherine have to do a roll-off here. Marco wins the roll-off. Catherine gets last again. Alright, here we go. And I'm going to risk... Wait, what am I going to risk here? What am I going to risk? Well, at least no one else has a 1 to go besides me. Alright, Fumiko now. That's weird. Right now, oh, 2 clears in there. I'm still gonna have a 1 to go on this next turn. And now Catherine does that. Alright, round number 4. Still no purple. Cosmic Capers. Here we go. So here we go. Got a good start there. Just gotta hold these guys off. Alright, lap number 2. Let's hope that they don't get some sort of advantage. Oh no, they're gonna get an advantage here. Marco! I put the block on him. He's not gonna pass me. And Catherine gets last again. That's funny. How Catherine keeps getting last. But also sad. Alright, here we go. Give me a purple. Peter Griffin, be a purple, please. Yes! He was a purple and we get another 3 times 2. This game is looking really good for us now. Alright, 17 points. No one got any points. I'm the only one that has points. Except for Fumiko, who has only 3 points. Right, set number 3. This is looking really great for us right now, but I don't want to jinx it, of course. Because this game definitely will jinx you a lot. It will. Trust me. Once you get to all the harder minigames... Well, no, I mean, once you get to, once you play all of... No. If you have played Wii Party so many times, this game will jinx you so much. To the point where you will want to break your Wii remote. I'm not saying you should break your Wii remote, but it can get to that point. Alright, over the hurdles. We got it. So there we go. Catherine gets last place for this is now I think the 4th minigame in a row. Catherine has gotten last place. Ooh, I almost hit Abby. Alright, we have a row set now. Alright, Fumiko now. Gonna do that. Marco takes a purple. Now, Catherine. That's odd. Round number 2. Oh, no one has a silver. That's a shame. Right, here we go. Here we go.
Start.
I'll choose blue, I guess. Well, everyone except for Fumiko. Who wins the race here? Who wins it? We lose. And it's probably because I was on the same side as Catherine, who has done terrible in these mini games. I don't know why I'm following Catherine. Probably because I'm an idiot. Oh god. Are we all about to die here? Now Fumiko gets Zack, thank god, because everyone except for Fumiko would be dead. Alright, who's gonna die, who's gonna survive here? Okay, this is gonna be very risky. I'm not going with Cat- Oh, come on! Fumiko made a last minute choice. Alright, is this worth it? No, it was not worth it. And Catherine breaks her, I don't know, 4 or 5 losing streak to finally, not get last place. And I'm gonna get last now. Because of course, it's a luck minigame. Yeah. Alright, what's Fumiko gonna do? Ooh, she didn't steal from me, but now Fumiko has a 1 to go. This is a bit concerning. Alright, Catherine. Gonna pass on that platinum. Alright, Marco. And now me, because I am a loser. No, passing on that. Alright, round number 3. What am I gonna do? I might as well take the silver here, perhaps. Alright, Jumbo Jump. I'm gonna probably take the silver because you get the bonus points for that. Unless, I might take the yellow if someone else has it. Alright, here we go. And... now! Oh! We lost by like a thin margin. And of course, not Fumiko, Marco gets it. But Catherine is probably gonna is probably gonna start a new losing streak now. We're getting last place. Alright, so Marco takes that. Fumiko. Ah, Fumiko got it 3 times 2. And Fumiko is now catching up. Thankfully, my opponents, Marco and Catherine, didn't get anything. Alright, set number 4 now. Ooh. It's looking pretty good for me. Alright, here we go. Moon. You pick one of the worst minigames, and I have a really good shot of getting something good here. This is just more proof that this is rigged. If I can just learn how to steer here. Okay. And Catherine gets last place again. Is this going to become a meme on my channel of Catherine getting last place? Like, is this going to become a meme of Catherine getting last place? But now it's looking like they're going to steal one of the ones that I needed. Well, I don't need the blue. Right, Fumiko. Yep, Fumiko stole it. I'm hoping for either a silver or a red. Neither. Because, of course, this is what I said earlier when this game was going to jinx you. Ooh, I wish I took that one. Because now, Catherine... Well, this looks good. We can get a 1 to go here if I win this next mini. But it's this mini game. So no, we're not going to get anything good here because we're going to get screwed in this mini game. And of course, they're going to choose Fumiko to go first. Haha. Marco. Oh no, is he gonna get it on the first try? Oh, that was close. Alright, Catherine. That gave me one of my cards. Okay, I believe it was this. No, Catherine. Alright, Fumiko. Fumiko! Come on, girl. Alright, Marco is probably gonna end up getting it here. No! He forgot his second row. Alright, Catherine. Holy crap, they're messing up terribly here. Who is this one?
to go. Start! Finish! 1 to go. One to go. Start! Finish! One to go. One to go. Start! Finish! One to go. One to go. Start. Finish. One to go. Start. Five, four, three, two, one. Finish. One to go. One to go.